Hi guys, today I want to demonstrate how to use Smart Lock to unlock your phone automatically using trusted devices. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to use my Motorola Moto 360 Android Wear watch. So let's go and do this. First, go to your settings on your phone. And then under your settings, go to your lock screen and security option. And then you will see Smart Lock. Click on that option. Now, if you've got a PIN number, enter that right now to continue on. So after you've entered your PIN, you'll see a couple of options here. So there's two options that is going to interest you guys. One is trusted places. Basically, you can enter a location or your home address. So every time you're within that location, your phone will unlock automatically without asking you for a PIN number. So the other option is what I'm going to show you guys, is to add a trusted device. You click on that. Now, my Android Wear watch is a Bluetooth device, so click on that, and then click on Moto 360. So confirm, yes, and add. So now my Moto 360 watch is added to the trusted devices. So basically what it means is that when my phone locks up next time, and if my watch is close by or on my wrist, it will not ask me for my PIN number to unlock it. But it will do ask me for my PIN number if I lost my watch, or I left my watch at home and I went outside of the house to the movies or have lunch with my friends, and I try to unlock the phone, it will ask me for the PIN number. So yeah, so this is just a very simple demonstration on how to add a trusted device to unlock your phone on your Galaxy S8 and or any Android device that supports the Smart Lock feature. So I hope this demonstration is informative, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of this video, and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and also please subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face somewhere on this screen here, and I'll see you guys next time.